Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be unboxing this pencil case. So let's get straight into the video. Alright, look at the box, it has a creeper. What do you think? Does it look good? And of course we're going to open it. Okay? Yeah, you're right. Now, there are a bunch of stuff inside, which we're going to explore soon. Okay? In there, I guess. Then you have a special pen. It's a pen, basically. And this pen is actually not an ordinary pen. It's actually a color pen. And then I'm going to show you the color pencils and the markers. So does it look good? I have a full set of them. Now this is the eraser. Does it look good? Doesn't it look good? It's made my Swiggle. It's the Minecraft team. With all mobs, almost all entities. And here's the zip. It's basically the Sniggle. And then and this is our pen. It basically has almost every cover. Its color. So this pen looks good, right? Even there's the Minecraft logo. And what do y'all think about it? So now, this is the part where I was thinking about. Putting the pen in here. The pen actually slipped. But the second attempt, I managed to put it in. But the pencil case moved. So, overall, what do you think of this pencil case? There are also pencils, a ruler, and then when we look at this, there's this zip, if you want to see it again. Okay, so now